Hey guys, my name is David and today I will introduce you to the referral program we have available in our marketplace for you to earn $100 for every referral that gets hired through your link. Want to know how to get started? To get started, go to cloudtest.partnerstack.com and click join now. Once you join, you will see this form where we ask for your first name, last name, email, and which offer you would like to accept. In this case, choose I want to refer individuals looking to get hired and click next. Once you click next, you will now be part of the referral program. Now, for you to start earning, go to links and customize the referral link that you'll be sharing to your audience. If you don't want to have a customized link, you can always use the default one. Once you've been informed that one of your referrals got hired, go to rewards and withdrawals to claim your rewards using PayPal or Strike.